Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Expedia points for flights. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the flights over here, and after that just simply select if it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city, and just simply select if you want premium or business class or the others. So let's say I'm gonna go for round trip. I am leaving from Manila and going to Singapore, let's say, and after that just simply select a time frame, click on done, and just simply select how many people are you traveling with and click on done, and after that just simply click on search. So guys, just simply do the usual process when you are booking a flight, and after that just simply select a departing flight. So these two are available, so let's say I'm going to take this one and click on select, and from here just simply select the return flight. So let's say I'm going to go for this one and click on select. So from here, you should be able to see your flights details. And now just simply click on check out once you are done and click on go to check out. So guys, as you can see over here, making this flight will have me 42 Expedia reward points. So guys, you will earn points per dollar you spend each time you go for hotel reservation, book flight, rental cars, or having a transaction with Expedia. So guys, over here, if we scroll down, you should be able to see here your payment information. So guys, under payment, you should be able to see here use my points options, and I click on the pay now button, and from there guys, Expedia then will automatically deduct your points from your account and use them to pay for your travel arrangement. So guys, I cannot show you right now since I don't have a points yet, but if you do, just follow the steps that I showed you on the screen, and there you go. See ya.